Hello friends, welcome to a new drawing demonstration video. Here we are drawing the picture of a peacock using the outline of our hand. So first we have taken the outline of our hand by placing our hand over the paper. Then we have drawn the legs and the thumb has been converted into the head of the peacock. Then its feathers and its tails, everything has been drawn, and now we can make the final coloring. So a beautiful peacock ready. And this is also a picture drawn using the outline of our hand, and here we have taken the outline of 4 of our fingers. Then 2 of the fingers are converted into the ears and 2 horn, and this is a picture of a giraffe. We can color it accordingly. Now we take the outline of 2 of our fingers and then we are converting this into the picture of a snake. So a snake has got an eye and a long tongue. We can add some spots on its body, then color this with green and light green. Okay. Again we draw the outline of our fingers or our hands. Here the fingers are curled. Then we draw some more strokes on this picture and we convert this into the picture of a pig. So it has a flat ear and nose is also very flat. It has got a tail and we can finally color it. Now we draw the picture of a swan and it is also drawn from the outline of our hand with all the fingers open, and we gave pink color to that picture. And this is the picture of a dinosaur. Okay, so it has a long neck, a large body and a big tail as well. So it has some projections on its body. We have drawn that as well. Then we are giving blue and red colors to those body parts. Now again we have 4 fingers open, and from that we draw the picture of a fox, and this fox has an open mouth. So we have drawn the 2 ears and eyes as well. So we can color it and make it attractive. And this is the final picture in our video. We have taken the outline of our hand, then we are drawing its eyes and its face is complete now. Ears are also being finished. This is a donkey. So thank you for watching.